The only thing left to do is just finish this, a little hit of sesame oil, and you're ready to serve. This smells absolutely incredible. Okay, let's make just a really quick little chili crisp sauce. So about 2 tablespoons of that stuff, about 1.5 tablespoons or so of soy. Just a light soy sauce will do. And again, a little drizzle of sesame oil. Okay, let's serve. So, just take a little bowl, put them in there, just a small handful. And just take a couple big ladles of that soup. Make sure you get lots of broth. And of course, all your favorite bits of turkey and dumplings. And the last step, take your chili oil, and drizzle with as much as you like. That is it. You're ready to eat.